So the ICP Conference is something that we've hosted at Inorganic Ventures for the past 10 years now. This year we're actually going to take it on the road to sort of share the wealth of knowledge that we've collected over the years and share that out with some users that may need a little bit of extra assistance. A lot of people, the first time that they use an ICP instrument is they sort of learn on the job. There is no courses or anything available in college or anything like that. So once you enter the workforce, it's usually the first time you've seen one of these instruments. So there's definite gaps in training that we've noticed, and frequently asked questions that come in through our technical support. And we found that these trainings are really beneficial to the end users that attend. We share our resources online freely, but this is sort of that next step that if you really want to gain more confidence, these trainings are really beneficial. Our goal is to give you tools and tips and tricks that you can take back and make your life easier, make your analysis better, just maybe gain a little bit more confidence and answer some of the questions that you may have had for a long time. We've seen in the past, historically, people who attend our conference, about 75% of them have under 2 years experience with ICP, so relatively new users. But there is a group of people that have as many as 10 years experience in ICP. It really depends on, do you feel like you want to gain a little bit more confidence? Do you want to, learn some more tips and tricks that you may not have seen? And there's a lot of different topics that we'll cover. So I think that anyone who attends will definitely pick up something new. ICP maintenance tips and tricks are always a big one. I think everyone has run into maintenance issues at least once or twice. It could be recurring issues, things like that. But we also talk a lot about different things, contamination, washout issues, the things that really give people headaches. And if they've ever dealt with those issues before, they definitely can understand, the quicker you can settle a contamination or washout issue, the better. We're also going to look at, some different case studies, look at method validation, just a lot of good. We'll keep it pretty general, but the idea is to share a lot of tips and tricks, so you don't need a specific instrument or run a specific method. We want to make sure that the knowledge that we sort of pass through is, you can apply it to pretty much anything in your lab. So in addition to the training for these events, we found that, sort of hosting and getting the group really networking is really beneficial to the attendees for the ICP conference. The conference runs for 2 days. The first evening, we'll host a mixer event on site, so you don't really have to travel anywhere. But that's a good place to really network with the other people. And at the end of the second day, one of our most popular sessions for any conference is what we call the end of conference roundtable. The attendees usually have a lot of experience along with our presenters, and it's an opportunity for the whole group to sort of have a big conversation about issues they run into, extra tips and tricks. It's a good chance, if you've had any lingering questions, if the presenters that we bring can't answer your question, more than likely someone else in the audience might have a tip or a trick to share, and those have been really good sessions in the past. So in addition to the ICP conference, anyone who registers and attends these conferences in Columbus and Indianapolis this year are going to get a free 30-day full access pass to IV Ignite. So again, IV Ignite, if you haven't heard about it, is our virtual training academy. So you'll get 1 month free full access. You'll get to see all the courses that'll come out there. And it's also a great place to sort of continue building that community, because everyone that attends is going to be on there. So there's various forums. You can continue to sort of keep up with people in your class at the ICP conference. And it's a good way to sort of learn even more topics than we cover over the course of 2 days, and also keep connected with the folks that you meet at the ICP conference.